Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So do you know in which of the following substances are the particles held together with a greater force of attraction? Our first option is iron nail, our second option is piece of chalk, third option is rubber band, and our last option is none of the above. So students, if we look at the solution of this question, the particles of matter basically attract each other with a force, and this force is known as students the intermolecular force of attraction. The strength of the intermolecular force of attraction is not same students in all the kinds of the matter. Instead, it varies from matter to matter. It depends on the atoms and molecules present in the matter. So students, before coming to the options, let us first know the intermolecular force of attraction of three states of matter and its behavior. In solids, mainly the intermolecular force of attraction will be the strongest, and if we talk about in liquids, the intermolecular force of attraction is moderate and it is less than our solids, and in gaseous state the intermolecular force of attraction will be very weak. So if we talk about students, our first option, that is iron nail, the particles of iron never move away from the other particles. And if we see to our second option, that is piece of chalks, then students, you all know that students, we can divide chalks into a different part. And if we see to our third option, that is rubber band, so the particles in a rubber band can be stretched. So students, according to our basic approach, iron nail will be a solid substance in which the particles will be in a strong bond, and the intermolecular force of attraction among the particles of the iron nail will be the strongest among these three options. That's why students, our correct answer for this question will be iron nail, because students, here iron nail will hold together the particles with a greater force of attraction. So I hope students, this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.